Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Just Eat Courier app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the app and sign in with your Just Eat Courier account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a toggle at the top that lets you switch between offline and online mode. When you go online, you'll be able to receive available delivery runs and start working. Next, open the schedule section. Here you can view your assigned working days and shifts for the entire week. After that, go to the Open Runs section. This page shows any available shifts released by Just Eat that you can claim if they're available. If you need to give up one of your assigned shifts, simply select the shift and tap Drop Run. Once you do that, the shift will be moved to the Open Runs section where other couriers can claim it. Now, head over to the Availability section. Here, you can choose which days and times you're available to work. You can either set specific time slots or mark yourself as available for the entire day. Next, open the Earnings section. This page shows how much you've earned during the current week, and you can also view previous weeks to check your total earnings and completed shifts. The app also includes your delivery history, where you can see the total number of deliveries you've completed along with the total miles you've traveled. This information can be useful for tracking your work and preparing your tax records. You can also download earnings statements that provide a detailed breakdown of your payments and completed deliveries. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Just Eat Courier app. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.